Welcome to another ABC Company's Grab and Go series. In this Grab and Go series, we're going to go over the essentials of having the driver's tool bag that every Van Hool motor coach should have. Every moment a coach is down causes lost revenue. A well-equipped driver can help prevent some of that or even keep the bus back in service. Ways to do that is making sure we have our Essentials ABC tool bag. As part of my preventive maintenance or my pre-trip inspection when I go to do on my bus, I like to go through my tool bag and make sure I have all my essentials. So first I want to make sure I have my flashlight. When I check my flashlight, I do want to make sure that it works, and it does, and I'll put that off to the side. Next, I want to go ahead and grab my multimeter. When I grab my multimeter, I also want to make sure that I have the cables. I want to make sure that it does turn on, and this one does. It tells me that the battery is good. You don't want to be stuck on the side of the road trying to check for voltages or see if you have power somewhere if your multimeter doesn't work. Next, let's grab our screwdriver. We do want to have a flat tip screwdriver. This will help me get into some of the compartments that I need to get into on the motor coach. I want to make sure it's not damaged and it's free of any kind of nicks or debris. Our hex key set. Anyone that's driven a Van Hool motor coach or any motor coaches know that sometimes these hex keys come in handy to get into some electrical compartments. So it's a good idea to check them and make sure they're all there. And then our needle nose pliers. So our needle nose pliers can help us get into turn nuts if we need to, remove small fuses. They come in handy. And then our cable ties. Sometimes there's components I need to secure on the bus or even tie up so I can keep the bus in service. And then we want to make sure we have a square key. So we do still have square locks in some compartments on the bus. This is handy to have so we can get into those compartments. And last but not least, we want to make sure we have our ABC Essential Tool Bag to help secure all these items in one place so we don't misplace or lose anything. And that concludes another ABC Company's Grab and Go series. In this series, we cover the essentials of a driver tool bag. If you have questions on this Grab and Go or any of our other videos, please contact us 24/7.